Is this working? Yeah, it's working. What's up, guys? Welcome to the first episode of Info Geek. You can just call me Info Geek. And today I'm going to be giving you my personal review on the KikOff app. Now, instead of being like everybody else, when everybody else do reviews, they always wait until the end to give you their review. Well, I'm actually going to be showing you me using this in real time over a period of months. So this is considered part one. If you're watching this and I'm done with the series by then, you can go back and watch all the series. I'll put them in a playlist. But if you're watching this in real time, then you have to wait for the next video. I'll be posting videos when they update my credit score, when it hits my credit, any of those things that happen, I'm gonna keep you updated so that way I can show you exactly how the service works and what you can expect. Now, for those of you that came to this video looking for more information because there's not any on YouTube, don't worry, I'm here to stay. I'm not gonna upload one video and disappear for 14 years. That's not gonna happen. Trust me. So what I wanna tell you here about this service, is it free? Yes, it's absolutely free. And I know a lot of people are confused about how this works. I'm gonna explain to you how it works. Now, basically, they're going to give you $12 of their money, right? You don't never get to see this money. It goes into an account. You can't spend it, this, that, and the third. It's common sense. So you're going to log into your account. They instantly transfer the money. You're going to log into your account. You're going to pay back $1 each month. There's 12 months in a year. So you're going to pay back $1. For example, I already started and my next payment is on April 2nd. I need to log in to make that payment. I mean, not April, sorry. August 2nd is my next payment. I need to log in, make that payment. It's 2020 when I'm making this video. So let's make that very clear. So with that being said, all you have to do is log in and press the button, and it's so simple. It's simple. It doesn't get no more simpler than that. It's extremely simple. Now, they do not have an auto pay feature, which is good because it helps teaches you responsibility and puts you in the routine of logging in every month for you to come back to do this. Also, you know, I'm a business owner. I do own some businesses. It's a strategic move that they're using to keep their website traffic flowing and to keep them numbers up for the entire year, which is good. That's why they didn't do auto pay. You don't want somebody to put on auto pay and never log back in and get their credit filled all the way up, and then the person providing the service never get anything out of it. Make sense? Makes sense. So yeah, service is great, and basically I'm going to explain to you also who this service is for. Now, this service is for anybody, definitely for anybody. However, I think as a African American from America, by some of us not having a lot of money, even the people of color, anybody really, but you get where I'm going with this, right? People who don't have a lot of money would love to build their credit, but they just don't have the extra money to spend it. Like for me, I don't have an extra $150 or extra $20 to blow on something with hopes that my credit is going to go up, because that money needs to go towards bills. It's not enough money laying around, you know? So by this service being free, it gives me a fair equality opportunity to build my credit. Now I can build my credit just like the rich people. I can build my credit like Karen and like Kim and like Kevin. I can build my stuff like them. You know, I feel equal now because this service understands that I cannot afford the service, and it's providing me the service for free so I can have better opportunities in life. Because if you don't know, if you don't have good credit, you don't have access to a lot of things, and you're going to pay a lot more money for things. So I will make a video about the pros, the cons, the perks, and the herks of having good and bad credit. So definitely subscribe if you're interested in that. I think that would be really good. But if you don't want to spend money, even if you're rich, even if you're middle class, if you just don't want to spend money because you can't and you cannot afford to, you're on a budget, this is perfect. All you do is log in every month and you press pay and you give those people back $1 that they gave you. Again, no credit card is needed, no debit card is needed, none of that stuff is absolutely free. All they're going to ask for, as you can see here on your screen, is your first name, your last name, phone number, email, social security number. Now, of course, I'm not going to show all my personal information, but I am going to give you a shot of the screen, and what you see here is very accurate. You know, so hopefully you guys understand that I'm going to be following this, and I'm going to do a whole bunch of credit builder information because I want to help be the change in the world. Change starts with us. Michael Jackson said it best. I'm starting with the man in the mirror. And that's what I'm doing. And hopefully you, man or woman or child, that's watching this can start in the mirror, because this is very important. So I plan on taking this channel and growing it into something huge. That's the goal. And by you watching this video, hopefully I can convince you to become one of my first subscribers. I'm trying to get my first 100. Right now I don't have any subscribers. And I'm also trying to get my first 100 likes. That would be dope, you know, just to start something and possibly get some support behind it and try to spread this knowledge that people don't really have access to. I looked this up on YouTube. It's not many videos. I think it's one video out there, and you know, the audio wasn't really good on it from my personal opinion. I really couldn't understand it. It wasn't properly explained too much, but shout out to that person for at least trying. So I'd rather stand beside that person and try to help scream louder to make sure that this message gets put out so people can help fix their credits and things of that nature. Again, if you're watching this video and you really feel what I'm saying, please become one of the info geeks and hit that subscribe button and like button. I plan on bringing you guys so much content that's educational. So every time you watch these videos, I want you to learn something. Okay, now that I got done explaining to you guys, you're going to get this message verifying your identity after you follow the sign up. You're also going to get this, you're approved, how it works. It's going to be step 1 through 4, which is fairly simple. They'll give you the money, you're going to pay it back, and they'll send you, you know, your payment records each month about your, they'll send it to the credit bureaus, basically. And all you got to do is watch your credit go up. Simple as that. That's how simple it is. But don't worry, I'm going to give you guys a full tour. And again, I'm not going to show you personal information, so it's going to be a tab that I skip where your phone number, social security number, all the information is. But yeah, you're going to hit accept. You're going to get this congratulations, the money has been loaned to you in your digital wallet. Now I'm going to take you on a tour really quick so you can see how this works. Again, I'm excited to do this with you, so let's get into it. Don't forget to hit like. Now here is the $12. This is the $12 that we are lending you. They're going to lend us that $12. This is my $12. Now, here is the amount left on your loan. Over the next 12 months, you will build credit as you pay back this loan, which is going to be $1 a month. Remember, it's 12 months in a year. Now, I skipped that other part because I have my personal information, but credit score, I just signed up yesterday. So once this updated, I will come back and show you guys what my credit score, and we can track it in real time so you guys can know how good that it works. Again, over here, this is where you'll be able to click to see your upcoming installments, to see when your next stuff is due. As I mentioned, mine's is August the 2nd. That's the next time that I need to make a payment. Again, this series is going to be fun. I'm excited to do it, to be honest with you. And yeah, so I'm just taking you on this little mini tour and letting you know everything that you need to know. Hopefully, as I mentioned before, these videos are extremely helpful. I cannot stretch that enough. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. As you can see here, this is when the due date is. What is that, July? That's July 7th. You're going to see me pay. This is actually me making my first payment right here. So you're going to click pay. Once you click pay, it's going to change right there. Paying back your loan is as easy as tapping the button. If you pay back before the end of the month, it'll show up on next month's credit report. Boom. Just like that, I made my payment, y'all. I made my payment. Now, you've just made your first payment. Congratulations. You're well on your way to establishing a solid credit score. Fact, the biggest part of your credit score is your payment history. Now take a guess. I already knew this answer, which was 35. The answer is 35%. Now, credit bureaus don't care how big the payments are, but whether they came in late or not. So for both a credit card or auto loan, your payment history usually looks like this. That's the green check marks right there. That's all they're going to see. For those of you who are going to feel embarrassed about $1 popping up, they won't even see it. They're just going to see those green check marks. That's all they're going to see. And they just want to know that you make your payments on time before they give you their hard-earned money. So yes, this is protects you, keep you from being shamed, from paying $1 a month, all types of stuff. Now, but miss a single payment and it'll look like that. And it's bring down your score a lot. So build up those green check marks and try your best not to be late on any single payment. The first rule of credit is always make sure your payment's on time. Don't wait till the last day. It's okay to pay before the final due date. Now, for those of you wondering, should I be worried? Now, for the KikOff loan, you have nothing to fear. We'll send your payment reminders and notifications. Our goal is to help you build good habits and knowledge for the future. That's why they don't have auto pay or whatever. Now, did you find this lesson helpful? Yes, we did. What else do you want to learn? That was it. So that's all I wanted to bring to you guys' attention, showing you me signing up, giving my insight on it. Again, I really hope this was extremely helpful for you guys. I really, really do. And hopefully it didn't piss you all off or nothing like that. Your credit score will be available shortly after we report your payment at the start of each month. Before I flip over to my hard cam, these are all of the other payments. It tells you when your next due dates. Like you can see mine's here. Mine's is actually August the 7th. I said the 2nd in the beginning of the video. My apologies. But you can see all of your due dates here, so you don't have to worry about missing anything. Again, everything is right in front of you. You would have to be in a tough situation to not be able to make these $1 payments or whatever the case is, you know. So, yeah. Hey, I showed you everything. I showed you how it worked. You can click the link in the description below to go ahead and sign up using my referral link, and that can go ahead and you know, get you on the right track. And make sure you stay tuned for more videos. Let me go ahead and switch back to this hard cam now. For real this time. For real. I want you to learn something when you watch these videos. That's what I want. That's my goal. That's what I get out of this. You know, the channel is not monetized. I'm not getting paid for this at the time of this video. You know, it's in 2020, pre-corona, like mid-corona, I should say right now. And yeah, it's a new world, and I'm ready to be a part of it. Again, I don't want to talk y'all heads off. Again, I really hope you enjoyed the video. And until next time, I will see you wonderful people later. Really appreciate you. Thank you.